Good. Woo! Contestant number 5. Let's give it up for contestant number 6. Good evening to all the beautiful people present here tonight, especially to our esteemed judges. My name is Wanda Pinkaman Yaupnyao. I'm 27. Let's give it up for contestant number 5.
Hello and good evening, dear judges and everyone present here today. My name is Mebai Hun Tiffany Carsentiu, and I am 21 years old. I am a 21 years old, ambitious soul living in Nong Rai.
Crazy Diamond is ready to rock the stage. Are you guys ready? Yeah, thank you. All right, we all welcome Crazy Diamond to the stage.